Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is on how to dress up a basic outfit with accessories. So I've got a ton of accessories in this video and I'm going to show you how you can dress up such a basic outfit to make it look so much better. So I'm going to include things like belts, bags and hats. But before I get into it, I just want to quickly mention that this video is sponsored by 21 Buttons. And you guys know I never talk about any brands that I don't like or that I don't think you will like or that is relevant to my channel. And I know you guys are going to absolutely love this. It's such a cool app. So basically you can browse and get inspired by different people's outfits. I have my own profile on there so you can go and check mine out, and I've actually got a couple of outfits on there which I haven't uploaded to anywhere else, so they're super exclusive. And everyone tags where the outfit is from with direct links to it on its website, which is so good because instead of having to ask someone where something's from, it's already listed. You can then save the items you like into your wardrobes and combine different pieces together to make new looks. It's also really great because you can upload your own outfits onto there and even make some money if someone buys one of the items you've tagged, which is such a bonus. So yeah, I'll link the 21 Buttons app down below in the description if you want to go and download it. And with all of that said, I really hope you enjoyed this video and let's get into it. So the first accessory I'm styling is this belt bag. It actually looks a lot like the Gucci ones, but it was only £14 from Boohoo, which is such a bargain. So I'm wearing it with a plain black long sleeve top and a pair of super ripped Jamie jeans, which are both from Topshop, and I've just draped my Miss Selfridge blazer over the top. But I just think the bag really dresses up an outfit and makes it look a lot more expensive, and it just adds a little bit of colour to the outfit too. I also think sunglasses are a great way to dress up a plain outfit. These are from Pretty Little Thing and I just think they look so chic on, especially when you pair them with the bag. I sometimes even just like wearing them on the top of my head too. I just think it finishes off an outfit and it also helps to keep your hair in place. Another fashion hack to do to dress up a plain outfit would be to add some socks. So these are fishnet ones from ASOS. I just think they look really good with a pair of heels like these from Pretty Little Thing. You could even change the colour of the heels as well, and I think they'd look so good like a pair of red patent ones or a bright coloured one with like suede or something. I think they'd just look good with everything. Hats are another way you can dress up an outfit. I've picked caps because I think more people are most likely to have one of these. So the first one I got is from ASOS. I'll link everything below in the description if you want to buy anything. I just think this is such a versatile one. You can wear it with anything. So here I'm wearing it with shorts, but you could also wear it with a coat draped over your shoulders and it would look so good too. I've also got a cap in a beige colour, which is another great colour to get because it just goes with everything. This one is from Pretty Little Thing. So belts, I think, is the first accessory everyone thinks of, and they're just so easy to throw on to add a bit of detail to your outfit. There's so many different designs to choose from, and I'll link some of my favourites in the description for you to check out, but don't feel like you can only wear them with jeans either. They can look great wrapped around an oversized t-shirt to make it into a dress. I'll link my other hack videos because I've explained so many different ways to use them to dress up an outfit on there too. Another belt I think is a must-have is an Obi belt. I've got a double denim outfit on which is slightly different colours, but the way to make it look better would be to tie this belt around the waist where I've tucked it in. This just makes it look less obvious that the colours don't match, and it also makes it look like a denim dress and gives it more shape. You could also again mix it with other accessories like the hat I showed earlier just to dress it up even more. So for this next hack, another thing you can do to dress up an outfit would be to wear tights underneath your ripped jeans. These tights are from Pretty Little Thing and I just find the nude fishnet and sparkles just add so much more detail to the look and make the jeans look even better. Again, you could add some other accessories to it like this bag, which is from Pretty Little Thing too. I just think the feathers look so cute and I just love the colour of it too. You could even wear it with a really plain outfit like this and it would just add some more colour and detail to your look. And finally, the last hack is your jewellery. So you could layer individual necklaces with one another like I am here. I think the key to making this look good would be to make sure all of the chains are the same colour of gold or silver. You could even stack the rings on your fingers too, just to finish off an outfit. I'll link some of my favourite jewellery pieces below because I do really think they add so much more detail to a look. So that is it everyone, I really hope you liked this video and that it helps you. Don't forget to check out 21 Buttons and my profile on there where I've uploaded some of my outfits. The download link will be in the description, and yeah, have a great day and I'll speak to you all in my next one. Bye guys.